Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Afiq Shafi bin Muhammad Suhaimi from Group 1, and today I am going to do the question 1 ladder diagram. Okay, so this is my ladder diagram for question 1. Then I will try to simulate and I will explain the functionality of this ladder diagram. So now I am opening the X node switch on, and then the Y node bulb will flash simultaneously within the sequence after 2 seconds of timer. Here lastly, after the last bulb is lighted 2 seconds, and it will reset to the third bulb because there is an inverted reset switch here. The X0 is opening the Y0 bulb, and then below is the timer. After 2 seconds it will light up, it will on the inverted switch that will make the Y0 bulb off, and then at the same time here T1 input will also be on, and then continue the process. But then after it has finished on lighting bulb number 5, and then the switch T6 timer 6 will light up this inverted reset switch, so that the input on T3 will light up again, and it will reset the process from bulb 3, 4, 5, and then it will continue to do that.
Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. My name is Faris bin Ahmad Taufiq Nasri with my matrix ID 2019250508. So today I'm going to do that one from MBC 322, and I will show you the example of question 2. So the question is, the switch X0 will activate the light. So first we will add load X0 and output Y0. Then the load X0 will activate timer for 2 seconds. We set the name for timer 1, constant 2 seconds. Then this timer will turn off the output, that's the light. Timer 1 not. Then we will need to repeat this step for all the output. So for this part, for this question, after the Wi-Fi is light out, it will turn back to Y2 and will repeat the process. So timer 5 will activate timer 6 for 2 seconds, and timer 6 will turn on Y2. Okay, timer 6 will activate Y2. So timer 6 not. So this is all the ladder diagram for question 2. So now we are going to simulate it. So first, need to enter the button X0 and turn it on. So first Y0 will turn on and the timer will turn on for 2 seconds. After that, Y1 is turned on, and like before, timer will activate for 2 seconds and the process will repeat. So after Wi-Fi is activated, timer 6 will activate for 2 seconds, and after that Y2 will turn back on and the process will repeat and repeat. Okay, that's all for question 2. From this ladder logic diagram, we now will convert it into this format below. So first, for the first component 00001, and the instruction is load with the data X0. Then we'll find T1, the address is 002, and the instruction in N0 is T1. And then we find output 0003 out, and the data is Y0. Then the second line we'll find 0004, that's load, and the data is X0, and we'll find 0005, that is timer or output, with the data TMY1. So this will repeat until the end.
Okay, now I will continue for the question number 3, which is start with X0. So X0 with the output is Y0. Now continue with another load, which is X0. We activate a timer. The timer, which is timer number 1, for 2 seconds. Which is the timer 1 also will I don't know, T1 not. Continue for the T1 or for the new load to the output, which is Y1, and T1 also will activate a new timer, which
which is timer number 2 for 2 seconds also, and timer number 2 also will cut the for the output Y1. Continuing to the load for timer number 2, which will activate the output is Y2. Continuing to the T2, will activate the timer 3 for 2 seconds. Timer number 3 also will not here, and T3 with output Y3. V3 with output Y3. Okay. And T3 also we connect to the timer number 4 for 2 seconds also. And the timer number 4 will stop the signal for Y3. And timer 4, T4 will produce the output which is Y4. And T4 also will activate the timer 5 for 2 seconds, and timer number 5 will stop the signal for Y4. And the last one will be not the last one, the last output will be T5. Will activate the last output which is Y5. And T5 also will activate the last timer which is timer number 6 for 2 seconds. Okay, so I will test out this cylinder. So online force output, enter device, okay, and we on to so far it's going well. Y3, let's say Y4, set Y5, and then we stop right there. Okay, so for the question 3, the signal will be rotated at the first one, so I will stop the simulation. So for the question, fulfill the question, to answer the question, I will set the T6 here, T6 not here, and I will test it out how it will goes. How will it go? So okay, online force output will be on. Let me see how it goes. And so the Y0 will lit up once more, and the order will be repeated again. So that show that this is complete and successful. Successful. And that's all for us for the lab number 1 for control. Thank you.